Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at Walgreens for the week. I feel like this is a really good week if you are a beginner because there's lots of really easy beginner deals. So I will walk you through each of those step by step. I also include pictures of all the items that I found on clearance at the end of the video. Also, towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you different deals that you can do, just regular sale price deals on food that you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for. I like to do this because I know that helps some people reduce their overall grocery budget for the week. Let me share just a couple of quick things with you in case you don't know already. If you're fairly new or you have questions about how to coupon at Walgreens, I have 3 different Walgreens tutorials. One is all about register rewards, one is all about Walgreens cash, and the third one talks about how to use Walgreens cash on a spend deal. I will link all of those for you down in the video description box as well as in the comments. That way you can check out those videos. I feel like that helps answer a lot of the most common questions. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. So glad you guys are here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. And if you click that little notification bell, you will get a notification each time I post a new video. Okay, so let's talk about the deals, and I'll try to talk about the simplest ones first. So the all this week, it is $3.49. There's a $1.50 digital coupon, making the all and the Snuggle products just $1.99 with that digital coupon. The Purex laundry detergent is also just regular sale price, $1.99 this week. So if that's a great price for you, you might want to check out that deal as well. The Colgate toothpaste, there are a number of different toothpastes that qualify for this deal. They are $3.99 each, and you want to grab 2 of them. There is a $4 digital coupon. There's also a promotion for buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash back. So after your $4 digital, you'll pay $3.98. You'll get $4 in Walgreens cash back, making it completely free for 2 of them and just a little bit of a moneymaker. Now, there's also a deal on the P&G, the Procter & Gamble, Oral-B, and Crest products. So these are buy 2, get a $4 register reward. And when I grabbed these, the register reward that printed was a store register reward, not a manufacturer register reward. So I grabbed one of the super flosses, and I don't know if it's weird to have a favorite floss, but I love this floss. So this is $3. I grabbed one of the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $3. There is a $1 digital coupon for the toothbrush. So I paid just $5 for these items. And then I got back a $4 register reward for buying 2 of them. And then I also got $1 back on Ibotta for each of these. $1 back for the toothbrush, $1 back for the floss, making them completely free and a $1 moneymaker. Now, if you are brand new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. I also have a full tutorial on how to use Ibotta if you want to check that out that walks you through it step by step. Last thing you want to know about the Procter & Gamble products, you can submit your receipt to pggoodeveryday.com. When you do that, you get points for each Procter & Gamble product that you purchase, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. I know Domino's, and I believe it's Dunkin'. There's a few different places that you can get gift cards to, but you're getting even more for the money that you're spending. So that was a completely free and a moneymaker, and you're gonna get additional points towards a gift card. Win-win. I will drop a link for where you can sign up for the pggoodeveryday.com. It's completely free. Okay. Poise Pads. If you have these coupons, you can snag a great deal on these. They are priced at $5.99. Check your digitals to see if you have a $3 manufacturer coupon as well as a $2 store coupon. You can use 1 manufacturer and 1 store coupon on each item. So that makes these just 99 cents total. There are a couple of deals on soft soap products. So the body wash, it is $3.99, and when you buy 2 of them, you're gonna get $5 in Walgreens cash. So I picked up 2 at $3.99. I had a $1 digital coupon, so I paid $6.98. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.98 total, or just 99 cents each. Now, if you do curbside orders, you can go through Rakuten to get cash back, and I'll tell you about that here in just a moment, but you can also use promo codes. So try the code NEWYOU, and if that works for you, it's gonna take off an additional 70 cents, making these just 64 cents each. Now, let's talk about Rakuten really quick. If you are brand new and you use my link, you will get $30 off when you make a purchase of $30 or more after coupons. So your total has to be $30 after all your coupons for Rakuten. You would get $30 cash back. Even better though, Rakuten right now for Walgreens is 9% cash back. That can change at any time. I think the baseline is 3%, but right now it is 9% cash back. So you use my link, you sign up for Rakuten completely free. You go through Rakuten, you just type in the store you want to shop at. So in this instance, you type in Walgreens, and then it just reroutes you to the Walgreens website, and you shop and check out just like normal, but then you get additional cash back in your Rakuten account. So super awesome. Don't forget that step. The soft soap, hand soap, grab 4 of them. They are buy one, get one half off. They're $1.99. So 2 will be $1.99, 2 will be 99 cents. There is a 75-cent digital coupon. So you will pay $5.21, and then you will get $4 in Walgreens cash for buying 4 of these, making it $1.21 for all 4. Now, if you're placing it as a curbside order and you use that code NEWYOU, that's gonna take off an additional 52 cents, making them just 17 cents each. So it's up to you whether you choose to do the deal in store or place it as a curbside order, whatever you feel comfortable with doing. This Gillette deal is still going on. They are buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So one is $2.99. The second one is gonna ring up $1.49. You'll pay $4.48. You'll get $4 in Walgreens cash back. Now, if you place it as a curbside order, use that code NEWYOU. It's gonna take off another 45 cents, making these a total cost of 3 cents for the shave gel, and it's a great price. The L'Oreal Elvive. These are $3.99 each, and there are 2 different coupons that you can use for this, a $4 off to manufacturer coupon and a $2 off to store coupon. So grab 2 for $7.98, minus that $4 coupon, minus the $2 coupon, you'll pay $1.98 or just 99 cents each. If you use the NEWYOU code, you will save an additional 20 cents, making them just 89 cents a piece. Now, this is a fun one if your store has it. These are $1.99 or 2 for $3. I grabbed just one of them because there is an Ibotta offer for $1.50 back on one. So once I submitted to Ibotta, it made my final cost for these dark chocolate turtles just 49 cents. And the last deal that I did, and I really just did this to show you guys, I don't know if it's the best deal, but if you need a nail file, there are these Revlon nail files priced at $1.69. There is a $1 digital coupon attaching, making them just 69 cents. Now, if you have that booster coupon, the spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash, you want to combine some of these deals. That way you can get an additional $5 in Walgreens cash back when you spend 20. I didn't use a booster coupon, so I paid with Walgreens cash for these products. And so everything that I purchased, I can use Walgreens cash for and still get Walgreens cash back. I could have used Register Rewards and still gotten my Register Rewards and my Walgreens cash back. That's completely fine on all of these deals. There were a number of different food deals that I'm going to include here in just a moment that you can use your Walgreens cash for. If you have questions, don't hesitate to drop me a comment down below. Thanks.